guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing this USB super drive offered by Apple. This is an external USB DVD drive that is out to be used with your MacBook Pro, MacBook Air or MacBook. As you can see, it is compatible with Mac systems without a built-in optical drive. So we have one which is my MacBook Pro 2018 and designed by Apple in California. So what are we waiting for? Let's do this. Okay, so we're going to be opening this USB super drive box with these scissors. So I'm just gonna open this here. We have the USB super drive officially from its cherry. So we're gonna be opening this box in 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that. As you can see, we have the super drive in its glory, and then we have quick instruction manual. You can pause the video, it's fine. Here's the warranty and the regulatory marks. Okay. Now the fun part. Okay, so remove the USB. And the moment of truth. Let's do this. My favorite. Okay, so we have the super drive in its glory. Okay, so we have the slot loading drive, and on the front and side and the back, here's where USB will go to into your Mac computer. And as you can see on the bottom, we do have some nice Apple logo there. So let's set this up. Okay, so we have this MacBook Pro here, and we're gonna insert some CDs. So first off, we have a CD, and we're gonna put this inside and see what happens in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, so it says here, you insert a blank CD, choose an action from the pop-up menu to click and it's going to eject this. And next we're going to try DVD. Ignore the thing, I made that DVD was like 5 years old or something. There it is, same thing. So okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure that you subscribe to Nivea Legend 123, and as always, peace out.